Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable dark mode in your Google Chrome. First is you need to search Google Chrome here in case you don't see Google Chrome at your desktop screen. Let's type Google Chrome and then scroll up to select the best match. Click that. And then once you are being redirected to your Google Chrome, locate the three dots here at the right side of your screen. Click that and then let's scroll down to find settings. Okay, let's click this. And then at the left tab of your screen, you can see here appearance. Click that and then as you are in your appearance, you can see here theme, Chrome colors, customize toolbar, mode, and we'll be trying this mode. Okay. All you have to do is to click the arrow here and then turn on dark mode. Okay. Okay. So if you want to go back to your light mode, you can simply click that. Okay. So has this video helps? If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and also the bell one to be updated on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.